HobbyFamily Surprise Toys!
We've got the world's coolest, the world's biggest and most awesome Despicable Me Egg Part 3!
Goodbye!
Check out our luau minion. We got a special surprise. Let's see what it is. Whoa! Dude, you got the fart blaster. Super cool. This thing actually shoots air. Let's check it out. Let's have some fun.
It says, pump for bubble gum scent. Does it smell good? It does, huh? I can smell it from here. Can you guys smell it at home? Imagine smelling bubble gum flavor. That's what we're smelling.
I can't smell it.
You can't. You smell it? It smells good, huh? Hobby Susie Q doesn't like it. Okay, you ready? Oh no, it's on. Get him! So who's the winner? Make sure to leave your comments who you think won. Minions love bananas, and we do too, but we like carrots also. Time for some basketball, Minion. Okay, he's got two.
Goodbye!
Kampai! Wow. You were way off.
Oh, look, now he's a prison minion. Ah, well, that's what you get when you're a bad minion guy. Looks like there's something in the minion sleeve. Whoa, those are super cool minion goggles. He's surfing and crashing at the same time. So how are those goggles, man?
Actually, very good.
They look super awesome. Can't you just stand?
Oh.
Now it's a minion pirate. Let's see what we find. Oh, check out those cool plushies. It has a unicorn.
Which is so fluffy!
We have one little squishy. Ew!
Acorn poop.
Oh, he's pooping rainbows? Two little squishy. So fluffy. And three little squishies. Which one do you guys like better? Do you guys like the ones with two eyes? Or do you like the ones with one giant eye?
That one.
You like this one?
Yeah. Goodbye.
Kampai!
Let's go.
Were you trying?
What? A unicorn minion? That's hilarious. What's inside? Yeah! Awesome! A Despicable Me flotation device. Awesome! Oh, are you a minion too? Awesome! Look at this thing, it's so big. What is that? Ooh, banana Tic Tacs. Look, it has almost every single one of the cool minions.
Banana Kevin.
Banana.
Banana Bob.
Tua.
You got Banana Stewart.
Are there little characters on there?
Yeah, there's little characters on there.
Oh, there's like little... Maybe the deer wants to try them.
He's gonna share.
And we got minions' faces.
Oh. Can you guys see the pictures of the minions on the Tic Tacs? And look, after you eat them, they turn white. Isn't that weird? And look, that ant loves it so much he wants to eat it. Can you guys see the little ant? If you can, give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up, dudes.
Let's do this! Oh, it's Hobby Frog's turn. I want to help you out here, and I think this is gonna do it.
Flag.
It looks like a Green Lantern minion. Let's see what's inside of this awesome minion bag. What could it be? Whoa! Those are awesome swim mask binocular dealy bobbers. Here, man, try them out. Whoa, check you out, Hobby Bear. Oh, yeah, he's snorkeling with the best of them.
Can you guys see the minions?
Yeah.
Whoa, I see those cool minions, man. Those are so awesome. It's Hobby Bear's turn. What will he find there? Ooh, cool. Let me see. It's an awesome minion beach ball. Let's blow this thing up and have some fun.
Baseball.
Yeah! Stuart, find some pants, man. Dave, wow. He's got like everything covered but what he needs to have covered. That's not good. Boop. Are you okay, Hobby Mom?
Yeah, it's got a little wet. Yeah, it's got a little wet.
Oh! Oh! Good job!
I did it.
Hobby Pig's turn. Oh, what will he find in this awesome Minion Surprise Egg? Uh-oh. Whoa, that thing's almost as big as the egg. Look at that thing. So which one is that? That's Bob, right?
Yeah.
He has the one with like the different color eyeballs.
You need to do.
Okay, what do you need to do? You need to turn him upside down. You need to flip him around. He needs to stand on his head and do a handstand. Oh, does his tummy make noise? There we go. So do we like pound him? How does this work? Come on. Do we squish him? Oh, maybe his hand. There it is. It's his hand. Yay!
I can do it.
La 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 la. He's singing.
Over here.
What color are his eyes?
Green.
Green.
Brown.
Brown.
Green and brown.
That's right. Good job. What color are your eyes?
Oh, my is green.
Green. Make sure to let us know what color your eyes are in the comments. He's got an ant on his eyeball. You guys see a little ant on his eyeball? Oh no, he can't even blink either.
That must hurt.
I feel bad for him. Okay, Minions, so you're not going to be in the NBA. Hate to break it to you. So close.
We've got a wet Hobby Frog here. Look at him. Wow, he's having a blast. Whoa!
Got a minion.
It's Captain a Minion.
Captain a Minion. Let's see what we got. Oh.
Whoa! It's a cool toddler flotation device. Come on, Hobby Bear, let's check this out. Oh! He is floating and swimming and floating. Wow, that's awesome, man. Are you able to float? Yep. Hey. Whoa, little beer. Oh. Awesome sauce. You can float now. You got your floaties on, buddy. Yay! Good job, Hobby Bear. He's like using Bear to float on. Hey, look, there's a surprise over there. It's a Despicable Me 3 Dorbs. Because they're adorbs.
Sing this does nothing.
Does nothing, but it's just really, 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 really cute. Look, it's doing the hula dance.
And here's Hobby Pig about to go down the slide. Here we go. Can he do it? Hobby Frog turn.
Got a Hawaiian minion.
It's a hula minion. Good dancing, man. Oh yeah, Frog knows how to work it.
Look, which button? Which one? Oh, it's Kevin!
I love it. Look, he's wearing a grass skirt. And check this out. See his little toes? And look, his feet move. Whoa, they move backwards. That's not natural.
What's this? Goodbye.
Kampai! He wants to give kisses.
Yeah. That's so weird.
That is weird.
No, that's it.
Aw. Hey! Look at you. Are you a frog monkey?
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Oh, so close.
Whoa! Whoa! Do the minion. Do the minion. Do the minion. Minion dance. Oh, yeah. Hey, he stole the basketball.
Hey, Hobby Pig, did you fall in the pool?
Yes, I
What is that? Is that Tim? Tim with an awesome bullhorn? What would you sound like if you had a bullhorn?
did. Kevin,
This is Kevin.
you gotta press this pocket button.
Oh, is that what makes him work? That's cute.
His arms move, and the Giant Minion can do the same thing as this one.
Oh, yeah, they spin all the way around, huh?
Oh man, what is Oh, wow! It's a jumpoline! Let's fill this thing full of air and have a jump-tastic time. Whoa! Careful! Careful! It's heavy. Yeah,
I got it.
do you? Come on, you can do. Yeah!
It's the Minion Jumpoline. Can you really jump in it? They're gonna find out. Hey! Yeah, it looks like it works.
The mouth and face? That's too much energy.
Are you all pooped out already? I'm gonna get in right now. Okay, whoa.
It's
Oh, wow, you do feel the ground, huh?
Yeah. That's Bob.
His jumping is making me jump.
Mom, shopping.
Whoa, you guys are making me jump. That's cool.
So nice. We're in our little fort.
Ooh, that is a cool fort.
Yeah,
I like it.
How about forts?
You're hiding, huh?
Hey Hobby Kids, this is Hobby Dad and I've got the Hobby Kids. And we've got this purple minion. Oh no, we captured him. And inside he has some Nerf blasters. And we're gonna use those blaster darts to change him back into a yellow minion. Let's show you how it's done. Hobby Frog, look in the mouth of that purple minion and see what we have. Oh, wow! It's a cyclone shock. It has 6 awesome whistling darts. Let's open this thing up and see how it works.
Woo!
This thing's a 6-shooter. And it uses these large darts that can whistle when they're fired. All you gotta do is pull back and you're ready to go. Yeah!
What?
Come on. Whoa, what is that?
Big bow and arrow on there.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that is giant.
Mega Thunderstorm Bow and Arrow. This thing is awesome. It has big darts that whistle when you shoot them. Let's open it up and see how well it shoots.
So these 2 red things are for you to hold on, and when you need to pull it really hard, and we see the little green thing right there, you need it, and then you let go.
The next one's for Hobby Mom. Ooh, look at that. It's Nerf Rebel. It looks like a handbag, but it's a blaster.
And it's pink.
And it's pink.
Bonus. You talking to me?
Oh! Don't mess with that, Hobby Mom. See what else is in this purple minion. Whoa! Nerf Rampage. It shoots up to 25 darts. You got them all! Woo! Is that your favorite so far?
How can I say no?
Hobby Mom and Hobby Pig are gonna get the next Nerf Awesome Blaster. So
Inside of his brain.
I can't wait to turn these purple minions yellow again. Come on, guys.
Power of the hobby.
Oh man, look at that. Oh, that thing looks so cool. It's the Nerf Centurion. It can launch whistling darts up to 100 feet. No way! Nerf In-Strike Centurion. This thing is supposed to be able to shoot from long distances. And we're gonna find out right now. Cause we're gonna shoot a target all the way over here. You gotta pull it all the way back here to load it. Let's see if we can get the target. Oh! Let's see how far this thing can shoot. Whoa! One more!
Wow, that just popped out of his brain. This is the Nerf motorized rapid fire blasting 75 feet and strike elite CS18. Here's the back of the box. It's got adjustable stock, acceleration trigger, 2 see-through clips, and 36 elite darts. Motorized rapid fire blasting.
This is the Rapid Strike CS18, and this thing is awesome. Comes with 2 clips. You can see how many darts you have because they're clear. Pops in like that. And you gotta push this little thing right here to make sure that it releases. This button right here turns on the motor for spinning wheels that send darts flying. You can also check the chamber to see if you have a dart ready or not. Super cool. And check out these sights. You look through here and it goes all the way down to the muzzle end. And then if you need to adjust for your shoulder for a bigger fellow like me, boop, it's so cozy. I can't wait to try this out. That goes by quick. Hobby Moms, let's see what is in this Minion Surprise.
Hello, I'm a cranky minion. Ah!
Woohoo! I got the knockout Nerf Rebel. I'm gonna become Annie Oakley.
Oh, you are Annie Oakley.
Oh, yeah.
You're the best shot I know.
Don't underestimate the Nerf Rebel. Mini.
With all of these purple minions running around, we're gonna need a lot more firepower, and I think what we need is right in here. Ready, guys? Yeah. Come on, purple minion.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Yeah. It's Rhino Fire. And I think this thing's gonna look really nice on the front of Hobby Kid's Ninja Turtle vehicle. What do you guys think? Yeah. What does Hobby Frog have here? Oh man, it is the Rhino Fire Elite. This thing has 2 25 drum magazines. You check to see if it's loaded. Yep. You push this to fire, and these rotate as they go up and down. How cool is that? You want to fire this thing, man? Let's get the targets ready and get going. You got him!
We got him, we got him, we got him. We saved him.
Yay!
Oh no, there's one by the well.
Try it again! You don't want him to get away! You got him! If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend. We've got a lot more videos, and if you want to see them all, you gotta subscribe.